with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I have an awesome all-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz for you. It is a 2015 E400 4MATIC, finished in 040 black with all the chrome and or silver accents as you would prefer, with also your nice black leather interior. You do have your multi-function steering wheel, which is also going to be a leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel, and it does have that brushed chrome aluminum look. You have your blind spot assist along with your nice AMG Mercedes-Benz 5-spoke wheels and the sport grille. I mean, the sport grille, I know it's getting dark here, guys, but look at that. It is just such a beast. It's bold. You do have the intelligent lighting system and your adaptive high beam assist with this car as well. Under the hood here, a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing 329 horsepower with 354 foot-pounds of torque. And for this classy Mercedes-Benz sedan, that is definitely going to be enough pickup for you guys. And you know, you still, even though it's a 4-door sedan, you do have a very sporty contour to the car. You can see right here it contours in and then it comes back out. On the interior, again, you do have your black leather along with your keyless go, your keyless entry, and your hands-free access, which is going to be more of your Bluetooth, your lane tracking package, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, and you do have room for 5 in this car. So plenty of room for everybody, and everyone will definitely be comfortable when they do ride in this car. And here in the back, you have your dual exhaust with a nice chrome. I love this look whenever it's black on black. And your automatic closing trunk, plenty of trunk space, and the seats do go down as well just by the pull of this lever. So that's always nice and easy for those of us who aren't very good or very strong at pulling those levers, but it's a very simple process. And here, it closes for you. Now let's take it out for a quick test drive. All right, let's get the car started up. Keyless entry and keyless go. And I'm going to show you guys the window sticker first. You can see the total suggested retail price was originally $69,465. And that is right here. I don't know if we can get a little bit closer so you can see that. Look, guys, with only 18,000 miles in this car, one owner, sold right here in Naples, Florida. You can buy this car for basically half of the original suggested price of the retail value. So you really can't get better than that. 18,000 miles, it's almost barely broken in. And you can see that we do have some optional equipment, including the sliding panoramic sunroof, which is absolutely beautiful. We'll show that a little bit on the test drive. You do have the rear deck spoiler, so that is on the back of the car. It gives a little more sporty look, and it's nice to have. And of course, you have the full LED headlamps, and that is lovely because you also have the active curve and corner illumination. So whenever you turn a corner in this car, the lights actually turn with it, so you see exactly where you're going with no hesitation. And of course, you have your keyless go. Here's your 3-liter V6 bi-turbo engine with direct injection. It produces 329 horsepower with 354 foot-pounds of torque. Obviously, it's connected to a 7-speed automatic transmission. You have the 5-star rating of the crash test, so it's a very safe car. You have airbags all around, and you know, this is a car that you want to put your wife in and your children to make sure they're safe. And if it's just your wife and you don't like her, then maybe we get one that has a lower crash rating. But hey, if not, it's definitely going to be safe for everybody. And you get 23 miles per gallon, which is going to be your combined city and highway driving. I have proof of that right here. If you look, it has 23.8 miles per gallon. This is from the original setting, because you can see how many miles it is reading for it. So that is how many miles are also on the car, and it has not been reset. And 23.8, so almost 24 miles per gallon this car has given in the fuel range. And then here's 18,842 miles on the odometer. I mean, wow. Like I said, barely broken in. Taxi companies use this car, or the E350s, for taxi service because it's big enough and it's nice and it's luxurious. And of course, if you maintain them, they run for a very long time. You do have the backup camera. I just want to show you while I'm on it. I'm going to get started here. So I was saying about the E350s. So this is obviously an E400, but the difference between the E400 and the E350 is actually pretty significant. This leather dash is going to be part of what is a significant difference. You know, an E350, although they are very nice, they're not as luxurious as the E400s. And of course, you do have the twin turbo engines and your V6, so it's definitely quicker and faster. You can see this beautiful wood green. I mean, I don't know how good it's showing up because I do have some shadowing. Sorry, I'm driving as well on the main roads here today. Because one thing I want to mention to you guys is actually, if you turn this way right now and you look up at the sky, it's beautiful and clear and perfect. But if you were to turn the other way, it's a storm. So sometimes we are literally waiting for a storm to pass to do these videos at night, and then the sun's setting and they just don't turn out that well. I'll be honest, and I know you guys bash me sometimes, but I'm thinking about a million things and rushing through every thought and every word and sentence which I speak. So I apologize for that, but I do feel like sometimes that's a handicap for us. But you do see here, you have your Bluetooth, you have your satellite radio, FM, AM, and of course navigation, which is a nice and clear screen. The command center is
step on it a little
flawless.
bit. Let's see how that Formatic handles the
because
corners.
it's all-wheel drive. I'm supposed to drive all crazy. Let's go. Woo! Wow. It does handle very well. I mean, I assume it would anyhow with your all-wheel drive. This is always in all-wheel drive, so it does not change. I can't spin the tires out. I can't, you know.
Maybe don't show your speed.
It says 38. I think it's what, 35 here?
25.
Oh, loud. Sorry, guys, but not that sorry because that was a lot of fun. This is basically everything you would ever need inside of your Mercedes-Benz. You've got the comfort, you've got the lumbar support, you have all of the multi-functions of the seats, and you also have the Harman Kardon stereo system along with your blind spot assist, which is lighting up right now. So I want you to see that. It did just rain, so there's going to be some spots on the windows. In fact, I think it's starting to sprinkle again. Your lane keep assist, you know, those things are very much of sought after in cars because of the safety, along with of course your backup camera. It has never been smoked in, 100%. I would sign my name to that. Here you can see we have one key with us today, but we do have both keys and the books, along with obviously the window sticker. So all the things that you would need. I'm going to turn this economy mode off. It drives me a little bonkers. Here's your cooled seats, your heated seats for your passenger, and your cooled seats and heated seats for the driver, along with the sunshade button. All you do is press it and it'll go down, and then if you want to put it back up, you press it and it goes up for you.
Full factory warranty. The next
Full
year in August.
factory warranty for a year, y'all. I mean, how can you just can't get much better than this? Half the price, 18,000 miles, one owner, always in Naples, Florida, sold in Naples, Florida. I mean, it just does not get any better than this car. I don't know if you'll find one like it. So I suggest you call us and get on it while you can. Look at that. Flawless.
Beautiful.
If you guys have any questions about this all-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz, give us a call. It is 239-263-8500. AutoHaus Naples is our website. You can find the pricing, almost 60 full-size photos of the car. My name's MaryAnn. I showcase the cars here at AutoHaus of Naples, and I sell them as well in the dealership. And I will see you guys on the next one.